7 reasons why timeless designs of quality and longevity are key to sustainability. Buying something built to last reduces the need for frequent replacements, contributing to a more sustainable home environment and industry. This philosophy of emphasizing quality and longevity benefits consumers and supports a more sustainable planet. Here are 7 reasons why creating and investing in durable, timeless designs is vital to the future of sustainable living. 1. The environmental impact of disposable design. One of the most direct consequences of low-quality disposable furniture is the sheer amount of waste it generates. According to studies, millions of furniture are in landfills annually, often made from particle board, plastics, and other non-biodegradable materials. These products contribute to overflowing landfills and take decades to decompose. This waste's environmental cost is immense, leading to soil and water pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, and habitat destruction. Resource depletion. Disposable furniture consumes valuable natural resources such as wood, water, and minerals. The energy-intensive process of manufacturing and distributing these items adds to their carbon footprint. When consumers frequently replace low-quality items, the demand for these resources increases, further straining the planet. Opting for durable, high-quality furniture can mitigate this by reducing the need for continuous production and resource extraction. 2. Why quality and longevity matter. Here's why these aspects are so critical. Durability reduces replacements. When consumers invest in well-made, high-quality furniture, they are less likely to replace it after a short period. This reduced turnover rate means fewer items are produced, shipped, and discarded, which translates to a smaller carbon footprint. A well-crafted piece of furniture can last decades, sometimes even generations, becoming a cherished family heirloom rather than a temporary fixture. Quality as an investment. Quality furniture and decor items are often seen as investments rather than expenses. While the initial cost may be higher, the long-term benefits outweigh the upfront price. Durable pieces maintain their functionality and appearance over time, ensuring they continue adding value to a home without needing constant replacement. Sustainable materials and practices. High-quality, long-lasting designs often require sustainable materials and responsible manufacturing practices. At Mondoro, we emphasize sourcing sustainable woods, natural fibers, and non-toxic finishes. This approach extends our product's lifespan and supports environmental conservation and ethical production practices. 3. The economic benefits of timeless design. A low-priced piece of furniture may seem like a bargain at first glance, but its actual cost becomes apparent when it quickly breaks down or wears out. The cycle of repeatedly buying new, inexpensive items can add up, often exceeding the cost of a single, well-made item that lasts much longer. Consumers who choose timeless, durable designs save money by avoiding frequent replacements. Value. Retention. Another financial advantage of high-quality furniture and decor is value retention. Well-made pieces often maintain their worth over time and can sometimes even be appreciated, especially if they become vintage or collectible items. Unlike fast furniture that loses its value almost immediately, quality pieces can be sold, refurbished, or repurposed, offering long-term benefits. 4. Timeless aesthetics and style. Trendy items may look appealing for a season or two, but they quickly fall out of favor as new styles emerge. Timeless designs, on the other hand, are created with universal appeal in mind. They often feature simple, clean lines and a focus on functionality, which ensures they fit seamlessly into any home, regardless of evolving trends. At Mondoro, we strive to create pieces that embody this timeless appeal, marrying form and function with lasting quality, harmonizing with modern sustainability values. Timeless designs align perfectly with the current emphasis on sustainability. Modern consumers are increasingly aware of their environmental impact and make conscious decisions to purchase items that reflect their values. High-quality, long-lasting pieces not only meet this demand, but also set the standard for what responsible consumerism should look like. 5. The role of quality control in longevity. Every piece of furniture or decor we produce goes through multiple quality inspections during the manufacturing process. From material selection to construction and finishing, we ensure that each step aligns with our commitment to excellence. These inspections help identify and rectify potential issues early on, ensuring the final product is beautiful and durable. Material testing and durability. To achieve longevity, we test our materials rigorously to ensure their strength and resilience. We use industry-standard methods to assess how different materials respond to various stresses, such as weight, temperature fluctuations, and moisture exposure. By choosing durable materials and subjecting them to rigorous testing, we build products our customers can trust to last. 6. Sustainability as a core value. We take pride in ensuring our manufacturing practices are ethical and environmentally responsible. This includes working with suppliers who share our commitment to sustainability and implementing energy-efficient processes in our production facilities. By emphasizing ethical practices, we produce high-quality items and contribute to the broader social responsibility goal. Educating the consumer. We believe that consumer education is an essential component of promoting sustainability. By informing our customers about the benefits of investing in durable, high-quality furniture, we empower them to make decisions that align with their values. Understanding the long-term benefits of such investments helps shift the consumer mindset away from a disposable culture and toward a more sustainable future. 7. The future of sustainable design. The future of sustainable design will see further innovations in the materials used. Advances in technology are already making it possible to create stronger, more durable materials with a smaller environmental footprint. For example, reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and biodegradable composites are becoming more mainstream, providing designers with eco-friendly options that do not compromise quality or durability. Collaborative efforts. Sustainability is not the responsibility of a single company or industry. It requires collaborative efforts across sectors. By partnering with other like-minded businesses, participating in sustainability initiatives, and supporting global efforts to reduce carbon emissions, we can collectively work towards a future where timeless, high-quality design is the norm. If you're interested in exploring our complete collection of lookbooks and discovering more about our designs, please contact us at sales@mondoro.com. We'd be happy to share the full range of our creations and discuss how we can help bring your vision to life.